Today I'm going to be installing a generator on the most beautiful Rialta I've ever seen. This thing has a beautiful gold paint job, and wait till you see the interior. The customer has just dropped it off, and I'm going to complete the job and call them later, but sorry about the noise coming from the carpet cleaners next door. But wait till you see the interior of this thing. Now let me stand back some. So he's redone the carpet. I don't know if these are original cabinets or not, but they look beautiful. But I do know he redid the upholstery. Look at this seat here. Now, I don't know if that's original, but I know these are not original. Look at these rear seats. And as a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure he did these up here too. Yeah. Look at there. Beautiful. Now I had him move some stuff so I could get to the back there. But this thing is gorgeous. I think it's a 2003. But I know it's a HD, so it has the 3-burner cooktop. It has the large refrigerator. Here's a really nice top he put on here, on top of here. This thing is beautiful. Now it's going to have a new generator. And then they're heading out to California, where I'd love to be. Do is remove the old NAND generator. And we have the Generac out. The old NAND. Have it out. Now that's a big generator. I don't remember what he said was wrong with it, but he's ready to get rid of it, so that's all that matters. Installation in this one. And there's that little lip I was telling you about that has to be grinded off. This right here. Get rid of that. Place the fuel line. Reroute the battery cable. And here's what it looks like after you grind it off. At least before you paint it. But yeah, this is what it looks like once you grind it off. And time to install the new one. Thing looks good. It's ready to go in. Well, I'm all done. Customer's not back yet, but I think he's on his way. I'll let him fire it up when he gets here and record the his expression and his opinion, his feedback. See what he thinks. But this one went great. I didn't have any problems whatsoever with this one, so that's good. Okay, today I installed a generator for Mr. Harve Cohen.
Correct.
Cohen,
yeah.
okay. And it's installed, running, sounding nice and quiet. What do you think of the generator?
Well, I think it's great. We're looking forward to being able to boondock with this, which we haven't been able to do before.
Right.
So the flexibility that's going to give us now when we're on the road,
right.
We're looking forward to that.
And you're going to be taking any trips soon?
Yeah, we're going to take this down to Florida over Christmas.
For Christmas?
Then,
yeah,
we're going to South Florida, and then we're going to head out to Southern California to Palm Springs.
Palm Springs?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we'll be gone for probably about 2 months total.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you'll have to call me back or email me and let me know how things went with the generator.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely, we will. So.
And it's been a pleasure installing it for you, and you have a beautiful Rialta.
Thank
you know,
you.
I took some videos of it earlier, and this is the nicest one I've seen.
Okay, well, thank you.
You guys have done a great job with it.
Thank you. We really enjoy it.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right, well, listen, thanks for coming by. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to install the generator for you, and show it off.
All right, we will do it.
All right,
Thank you.
thanks a lot. Bye.